back to the channel. Today we are going to be making some spooky Halloween cocktails. Now, I will link all of the cookbooks that I'm using for you guys. I'm using my Beetlejuice cookbook, which has really good cocktail recipes in it. I'm using my horror movie night cookbook, and then I'm using my witches, excuse me, I'm using my witches cookbook. This year at my Halloween party, we are doing a Harry Potter themed bar. So we're doing all Harry Potter inspired cocktails, and pretty much none of these recipes, I think one of them is like the book itself has it inspired by Harry Potter, but we just kind of went through and selected some cocktails that we felt like we could turn into different potions. And so that is the goal here. So I'm going to set up the camera, start making some cocktails and test them out for you guys. I'm hoping all of these turn out really, really delicious so that obviously that there we go and I can use them for the party. So without further ado, let's make some Harry Potter. All right, you guys, to start out, we're making my version of Liquid Luck. You're going to need some apple cider, an apple, an orange, some whole cloves, cinnamon sticks, some ground nutmeg, and these star anise, I think I'm saying that right, pods. I had to order these from Amazon because I didn't see them in the grocery store. You're also going to need some edible shimmer in either orange or gold, and some champagne. So I got the stove started because we're going to simmer this for a while. I poured in 1 serving of apple cider, and then I cut a couple of orange slices and a couple of apple slices and added those to the simmer pot as well. You can also do this in a crock pot if you prefer, which is probably what I'll do for the Halloween party since I'll need a much bigger serving. Then you're going to add in your nutmeg, cinnamon, whole cloves, and the star anise pods, and you're going to leave this to simmer for about an hour. And first of all, it looks stunning, and also it fills your house up with this gorgeous smell, and it's amazing. After that hour is up, you're going to strain everything into the cup or dispenser of your choosing. And then you're gonna pop your champagne. Oh, I meant to say, make sure you let your apple cider concoction cool for a little while. Then you're going to add your champagne, being careful not to have the cork hit anybody or yourself, and then stir in your edible glitter, and now you've got some Liquid Luck. This is our Liquid Luck. I wish you guys could like see better the glitter. Can you see it? It's so pretty. It's so freaking pretty. So this is basically a like spiced cider with champagne, and then we added shimmer to it. I feel like there's no way this is not gonna be good. That's delicious. I don't know why I'm patting myself on the back when this is not my recipe. That that is so good. And it looks absolutely stunning. I really feel like you guys cannot see on camera just how beautiful this is. Maybe from overhead y'all can see without the glass interfering. How freaking sick is that, y'all? Next, we are making my version of Polyjuice Potion, and you're going to need some almond milk, some chocolate liqueur, and some creme de menthe. Now, the recipe does call for some clear chocolate liqueur, but actually the regular worked out pretty well. So you're going to pour equal parts of the creme de menthe and the chocolate liqueur into a shaker with some ice already in there. Then you're going to pour in a serving of almond milk also over the ice, shake it up, and pour it into your cup. That easy. So simple, and look how spooky ooky kooky that looks. Ah! This is what is going to be our Polyjuice potion, and it's going to be served in the glass cauldron that's sitting over here. I am very nervous. This is a chocolate liqueur and creme de menthe recipe with almond milk. I don't really like chocolate cocktails. I don't really like mint, but it looks like Polyjuice potion. The one thing is that the recipe did call for clear chocolate liqueur, and I couldn't find any at my local liquor store, but I was like, you know what? The brown might not be bad because in the picture, it's like a very bright green, and Polyjuice potion is a little bit more of a muted green. So I'm actually happy because I feel like it had the right effect. I am so scared to try this, but we're gonna do it. It smells very minty. Okay. Okay. Hold on, I need to FaceTime Zoe. The chocolate mint one, which I do not like chocolate mint, but girl, it is good. Yeah. Mm-hmm. This one is also a very easy recipe. This is going to be our drink of despair, and you're going to need a cup of ice, maraschino cherries, and this recipe called for a black vodka, which I could not find at my liquor store, so I ended up getting huckleberry vodka because it was the darkest vodka I could find. And very simple. You're just going to pour equal parts vodka and the maraschino cherry juice. And after that, you're just going to, what's the word? Oh, garnish. Yes, garnish it with a cherry. And that's it. Look how easy. First of all, I could not find black vodka at my local store. The red is really cool though. It legit looks like I'm drinking something with like blood splashed into it. So we might change the name of this one because this is supposed to be our drink of despair and it's supposed to be like black. We might change this one to a different one that like matches a red Harry Potter potion a little bit better because the only thing that I could find was this Wild Roots Huckleberry vodka. That was the darkest coloring I can find, and as you can see, it's pretty red. Then when you add the cherry juice in, it's very red. So the other reason I'm nervous for this one specifically is because I don't like cherry juice. And this is a very strong cocktail. This is just equal parts cherry juice and vodka. So we might end up adding like a splash of something else into this to make it work a little bit better because we also want to make these cocktails that people can drink all night and not be like messed up. Does that make sense? Okay, we're gonna try it. Wish me luck. That is so good. Okay, y'all need this. If you like flavored vodkas or unique vodkas, you need this. I'm not even a vodka girly. This tastes so darn good. Y'all need it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a win. Love it. I don't think I'm gonna even try and get the black vodka for the party because that is delicious. All right, you guys, next up, we're making some Wolfsbane. So you're gonna need blueberries, lemonade, club soda, vodka of your choice. I would actually recommend blueberry vodka. Blue Curacao, you actually will need blueberry schnapps as well, but I forgot to buy it. Some blue glitter, like edible glitter. You're going to add some ice and blueberries into a cup, and then you're going to add 6 ounces of the blue Curacao. Now, I accidentally made like multiple servings. I forgot to like pare down the recipe to only make myself a serving. I added the luster dust, and then I added the vodka. And then you have to go grab another cup because you realize that you didn't make 1 serving. You made like 8 servings on accident. Then you're going to add your club soda as well as some lemonade, and you've got yourself some Wolfsbane. Can you see the glitter better? Yeah, it is really, really cool. So, and it's got blueberries in the bottom. I don't know that the blueberries add a ton to it. Like, it's cool when they're like being spun around, but then like they just settle to the bottom. And I feel like when it's in a dispenser, the blueberries are just gonna like clog it from being able to like dispense easily. So I think that we'll skip the blueberries when it comes to the party, but let's try it. Okay. It's not bad. I feel like my reaction is gonna make y'all think that it's bad. It's not bad, but like I tasted it the second time because there was like no blueberry. I definitely feel like I'm gonna get blueberry schnapps, obviously, because that was supposed to be in here anyways. And then I think I might go ahead and get a blueberry vodka as well and do half regular, half blueberry vodka. I'll probably go a little bit light on the club soda and a little bit heavier on the lemonade because I feel like personally for like my taste, that would make it better. But overall, adorable cocktail. Obviously it's very beautiful and it's tasty. So a win-win in my book. Let's go on to the next one. All right, next up, we're making some love potion. So we're gonna start by boiling some water and then whipping up some heavy whipping cream into our very own whipped cream. So you're just going to whip that up, and then once it's foamy, add some powdered sugar and keep on stirring. After our water is boiled, we're gonna pour some rosebuds into a glass and pour that boiling water over top of them and let them steep for a few minutes. While they're steeping, we're gonna whip them up some more because we want our heavy whipping cream to have stiff peaks. When your tea is done steeping, you're gonna pour it into a glass by straining it, add some simple syrup, and add prickly pear cactus powder. I think I added too much of the powder. I think I read the instructions wrong because it was a lot of the powder. Didn't really affect the taste, I don't think, too much, but I definitely think I had way more in there than I needed. As you can see, it's a lot. For this recipe, I'm gonna add a splash of tequila to make it extra fun. Then we're gonna add our hand whipped cream to the top, and we've got our love potion. Y'all, I am not gonna lie to you. I don't know about this one. I haven't even tried it yet. It looks beautiful. It's got this like really dark fuchsia pink color to it, and it's got like the froth on top from the cream. I just don't know if I'm gonna like this. We might end up switching to a cocktail that's like the tequila, maybe lemonade, and simple syrup, and the prickly pear powder to make it pink because I am nervous about this. When the roses were steeping, I literally was like holding myself back from like a little bit of a gag because it didn't smell good. Cheers. It's still really hot, and I want to serve this chilled, and I don't know if this would be good chilled either, or if it would like separate, you know? It kind of smells like BO. Oh, I don't want to try it. I don't want to try it. I don't want to try it. Okay, every other cocktail has been good, so maybe this one will be good. I know my face looks severe. It's really not bad. It's just also not good. I don't think we're gonna be making that cocktail. It's also not even supposed to be a cocktail. The recipe is supposed to be for like a tea. It's not even supposed to be for like an actual cocktail. I'm just adding tequila to it to make it make it a cocktail. But yeah, you can see it's like separating. I don't think this is for me. I'm okay. Thanks though. Yeah, no. Those are the Halloween cocktails we're gonna be doing for my Harry Potter Potions themed bar at my Halloween party this year. I hope you guys enjoyed making these and testing them with me. If you did, make sure you give it a like, hit that subscribe button down below to come hang out with me on the channel. I'm still uploading every single day until Halloween night, so I hope you guys will stay along for the ride. Make sure you grab your spooky merch. There's only like 10-ish days left to grab it, so grab it at holly-hickman.com. The link will be in the description as well. And cheers! I hope you also get a dose of liquid luck this season. So I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!